not for no regular niggas, man. It's real trap music, real stoner music. Hey, yeah. But I told my bro to find his purpose in this world. Hey, yeah. I'm in the trap serving little boy and girls. Up on my day, I made this bitch twirl. Fat ass blunt, you know this shit pearl. They look at my neck, it's ice and pearls. Sippin' on juice, RP world. Fuck this world. Hey, fuck around, blow this shit up. Hey, rich shooter, get you going for some bucks. Serving them clubs, yellow school bus. Zan, hey, try to run down, got a drink in my hand. Hey, hey, let this shit go like a car weapon. Hey, yeah, can't fuck with that book cause I know he be telling. If you don't work, got a Mac 11. Hey, sippin' on drink, I'm levitating. Hey, you don't get fun, so I know why you hating. Get to the guap, ain't no fucking debating. Niggas be 30 with no motivation. New plug and that nigga Caucasian. Sippin' on lean in his bitch, talking about vacation. Flip us out there where he get fried like bacon. Run up in your spot, nigga, in his face. Hey, he said he gon' blow, nigga, he didn't make it. I got a baby Drake in his naked. I need some attachments. Hitting that bitch from that back. Told her a little bit, don't get attached, bitch. Hey, yo. That right.